Quarter round offers an easy solution to cover the expansion space required when installing floating floors. Begin by measuring the length of the wall where the quarter round will be installed. Then cut it to the length if necessary. In most cases, you'll have enough length to span the entire wall. However, if that's not the case, you can easily join two pieces together. Simply miter the pieces at two 45-degree angles and fit them together. The transition is nearly flawless. Place the quarter round against the wall base and test the fit. Install the quarter round using finishing nails to secure it in place. Join corner pieces by mitering the two ends at 45-degree angles and placing together. To finish the ends of the quarter round, miter a 45-degree angle and make a straight cut approximately ½ an inch deep to create a small return. Add the return to the quarter round with glue and nail it into place. Fill the nail holes and joints with caulk or color-coordinated putty. Pro tip: use caulk to finish the white quarter round along the edges and joints. Then smooth with your finger to remove excess caulk. Wipe with a clean cloth. To complete an installation for Wet Protect floors, be sure to use waterproof quarter round for Wet Protect floors. Measure the length of the wall where the waterproof quarter round will be installed. Typically, you should have enough quarter round to span the entire wall. If not, miter two ends at 45-degree angles in opposite directions, just like before. At each 45-degree joint, add a bead of silicone to keep water from penetrating the joint. When you get to a door frame, make a return similar to before. It is important that you make sure the return joint is at a perfect 90 degrees. Cut a small return piece and add a bead of silicone. If you need to wrap the molding around any abutments in the wall, use a miter saw to cut the angles the exact opposite direction from how you did in the beginning. Remember to add a bead of silicone at all joints. Splice together any pieces of molding with two 45-degree cuts that run in different directions. These cuts should fit together tightly. Using a number 6 or number 8 bright finish nail, nail the molding to the baseboard at a 30-degree angle and set each nail with a small nail punch. Lastly, fill each nail hole and joint with caulk for a clean, uniform appearance. Now you have the perfect finish for your waterproof floor.